How to prevent deep-fried food from getting soggy.
In this video, we'll be discussing tips and tricks to keep your deep-fried food crispy and delicious. Preventing soggy deep-fried food is easy if you follow these simple steps.
Why does deep-fried food get soggy?
Deep-fried food can become soggy for various reasons, such as improper cooking techniques, incorrect temperature, or improper storage. Understanding these factors can help you prevent your food from getting soggy.
How to choose the right oil for deep frying.
The first step in preventing soggy deep-fried food is choosing the right oil. Opt for high smoke point oils such as peanut, canola, or vegetable oil. These oils can withstand high temperatures without breaking down, which helps maintain the crispiness of your food.
What is the correct temperature for deep frying?
Maintaining the correct temperature is crucial to prevent sogginess. The ideal temperature for deep frying is 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175–190 degrees Celsius. Use a deep fry thermometer to ensure consistent temperature throughout the cooking process.
How should I prepare the food before frying?
Proper food preparation is essential to achieve crispy deep-fried food. Make sure to 1. Pat dry any excess moisture from the food using a paper towel. 2. Coat the food evenly with a light layer of flour, batter, or breadcrumbs to create a barrier between the food and the oil.
How to avoid overcrowding the frying pan.
Overcrowding the frying pan can lead to uneven cooking and sogginess. To avoid this, fry in small batches and make sure there is enough space for each piece to cook evenly.
How to drain the excess oil after frying.
Proper draining is crucial to prevent deep-fried food from becoming soggy. Once the food is cooked, use a slotted spoon or tongs to remove it from the oil and place it on a cooling rack set over a baking sheet. This allows excess oil to drain away from the food, keeping it crispy.
How should I store deep-fried food?
Storing deep-fried food properly can help maintain its crispiness. Avoid using airtight containers or plastic wraps, as they trap moisture and cause sogginess. Instead, store the food in a paper bag or loosely covered container and consume it within a day or two. Keeping your deep-fried food crispy and delicious is easy if you follow these steps. Choose the right oil, maintain the correct temperature, prepare the food properly, avoid overcrowding, drain the excess oil, and store the food correctly. Happy frying!